we are drawing our favorite Stitch! So, let's get started. We will start by Stitch's face. We start by drawing Stitch's face shape. Now, its mouth. Then, its nose. After the nose, we will draw Stitch's big eyes. Now we will draw its body. Stitch's hands. Stitch is wearing grass around his wrist. Stitch also has some grass around his waist. Now we will draw Stitch's legs. It's time to draw Stitch's two big ears. Now we will draw some cute little flowers on its head. At last, we will draw some grass and flowers around the Stitch. Now we will highlight our drawing. Next, it's time to fill colors in our drawing. First, we will color the inner ear of Stitch pink. Now, we will color some parts of the Stitch's body blue. Friends, if you love Stitch, give a big thumbs up to this video. Next, we will color the rest of the body with different blue color. We will color the nose dark blue. Now, we will color the flowers on the head of Stitch red. It's time to color the grass green. Isn't our Stitch looking cute? almost done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.